Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing well.
Your channel only?
Digit channel, your channel only. And guess, we are at the airport and we're traveling finally to our favorite place, the whole wide world, and that is to Goa, to our place where we always belong and forever we will. I'm going to take you guys around and show you the journey. It is a short trip, but we'll make the most out of it. Also, we just reached here and then checking was done, and I'm going to put some clips or pictures around what we ate, and I'm going to show you when we are going to board the flight. Also, when we land there, we have a lot more coming, guys. So if you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, please go ahead, show some love, do subscribe to our channel. Done a lot of previous fun videos in the past days, past weeks. Please go check it out and show some love. Share it with your friends and family. Stay tuned for this journey. Do you want to say something? Are you excited?
Yes,
Yeah.
but and I'm a bit sad also because we have left.
We had to leave our
babies,
babies, but we're still okay because the last time we had to leave them in the Cattery, but this time we have left them with my mom. So I'm happy that they're home at
They
the
must be
end.
not missing us though. They are still like chilling it.
But the younger one might, you never know. But we have a camera as well, set it up. So I'm sure we'll be, looking after them through. But I know my mom is going to be there. Yeah, she's going to take good care of them, my sister and her husband also. Having said that, we are very excited, looking forward for this journey and this trip.
It's gonna be a fun.
It's going to be a fun journey and fun time in Goa because Goa is home, Goa is love. So let's go. Made it to Bombay and now we'll be heading to Goa. Okay, finally. In another half an hour's time?
We're boarding in another
Half an hour's time we'll be boarding the flight and we'll meet you guys directly at the Goa airport, which is in Daboli. See you guys shortly. Finally, guys, we have landed, okay?
See the
and
smile
we
on
are
your
in
face.
Goa, of course. And Margaret has to be very, very careful this time because of the
roads.
people, because of the way the people are driving, okay? And you need to be more focused than what you were in London. But having said that, let's talk on the best part. That is, we are finally here. No, are you happy?
Yeah.
And I'm
Look
happy
at
too.
your smile.
Yes, I'm missing my babies. We kept checking on them. They're fine. But we're in Goa. What more?
There are
Look
too
at this lady. She's scared of the
There
cows aside and she's literally come in
There are
between
too many
at the
traffic
center of the road.
Then what?
So funny.
You don't require.
She doesn't even care that there is a car approaching her. And every time Malbert is using the wiper of the car, Malbert is constantly using the wiper rather than going for the side light, okay? I don't know what is wrong with him. Let's meet you soon once we reach home, okay? So, see you soon. Finally, I am home. I thought I would vlog and let you guys know that we reached home, but then I couldn't do that because I was like, in a mess. We both were in a mess, like fixing things and keeping things in place and all of that stuff. We'll be heading out now and I will be taking you guys out to show you what we are doing for this evening, a few hours before this day ends. And I will also be meeting my godchild and I hope she's going to be awake because it's already late. I just have to freshen up, change, we both of us, and get going, okay? So I will see you shortly. Guys, we were ready and we reached out also and we've met godchild also, no?
Yeah.
And my friend Harsha also. And we were along with some more friends also. Hello. This is Nikita and Adik is not to be seen for now. We'll introduce Adik also soon. And this is Mr. Malbert. Okay. So Nikita, what we have ordered?
Lepo,
Okay.
Scenario, Chana, Tamus, and Bombil,
आणि
chicken fried rice,
आणि
एकात बारा किती ऑर्डरचे एकात बारा हातात
तिसरे
Tisrio, and Urrak.
and urrag, okay? We're going to have some good Fish, very good fish. And we are at this place in Goa, Anandashram, which is little next to Temptations.
Waiting,
Let
but it's so-
the co-partner come and then let's talk about
So
it.
we were waiting because we wanted to do it in London, but we wanted them with us. So
Yeah, when we thought we would be traveling to Goa, we said it would be better tell them about your company. Okay? We'll talk about it very soon. We've got Lepo and we've got Shinadi. And I'm going to try this both now. And this whole plate is for me.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
And these are fried bombil. Okay? All these are, I think, going to be definitely for me. How is it?
very nice.
Very nice. These are tisreo. What is this?
Chili chicken.
Chili chicken, and this is fried. Adik, you say hi to my vlog, okay? This is Adik and that is Nikita. And they have a event coming. Yeah, okay, so lost. Lost na? Sarkis?
आमचा YouTube channel हा.
Yes, ते सांग नाव सांग. No, somebody. Wow.
It's called Adunik Vlogs.
Adunik vlog. Follow, like, share, subscribe. Why did I say follow? You should subscribe anyway. Yeah, actually follow.
Yeah.
It's called AN Signature Events
Yeah.
Goa.
In Goa, based in Goa, okay? Literally आमची neighbor आहे ती.
We also do weddings.
Discount
and,
means जायला मकडे
we do weddings, corporate events, not only in India, pan India,
All around.
and all around the world. So if you have anything happening in London, please call us.
Yes, guys, you need to. I think Instagram page also you guys have. So please do check their Instagram page out. And I'm gonna share some clips and pictures on whatever they have worked so far on. Albert is going to do rak.
What a smell.
For all of us, no?
Yeah.
Okay, do. And you need to explain, okay, what you're starting.
The way it was taught to me by my friend,
Who friend?
the legendary King Varo.
Who? Malbert's friend, okay, Varo.
So it should be 90 ml of Urak.
Is it 90? How do you know it's 90?
It is slightly more than
Otherwise,
90.
okay.
Okay. And pinch of salt, dash of lemon, and let's top it up with some limca. And if you all don't drink sweet, then you all can add some soda as well.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Chili.
Stir it, stir it, and just sip it.
He's done it for himself. I thought he would give it to us. He's under pressure.
1, 2.
No, you're not teaching, no. She has to do it. You said she is quite famous in doing Urrak, okay? Nikita, you need to explain what you're doing.
Okay.
This is Nikita's style. And this is Johan. And this is Johan, Malbert's cousin brother. In my vlog, okay? Go on. Continue, Nikita.
Urak?
How much you're putting?
I don't know.
Oh, this is Odmas, Tukka.
Admas.
Ah, boy, perfect केला. Measurement पळयता ना. मातशें वयर सकयल जाला.
Salt and lemon.
Ooh, salt and our direct wow. This is expert style.
Salt and lemon.
Ours.
And then you
You need to open a bar now next.
Yes.
This is what full limca?
And then
Then direct?
oil.
दुसऱ्या क्लासाक ना चिली.
No,
Oh, you don't want? Okay.
Spicy atale.
That's it.
थोडे?
Albert, try.
Thank you.
And then you try to.
Just करू ना मग.
Cheers. काय होतं तुम्ही
Just.
Okay, cheers. These are what is soda? We had also naan, which is almost over. We are done with the dinner. I couldn't vlog much because we were spending quality time with
With
each
Urak.
other, with Urak and good company. What I was saying is that the food was good, the place was good, We've been there for the first time. They are
Yeah.
Nikita and Adik's friends. We've met the owner. He's really nice. The food is also amazing. You guys need to try it if you ever are in Goa.
He's the
or
famous
if you
guy.
haven't tried yet being in Goa, okay? It's
Famous-
Anand Ashram. Yeah.
The
Quite
famous
famous. We are back home from the restaurant and our friends have already left and we have spent quality time with each other. The food was amazing. The company was top notch. So you've already met Johan, who's Malbert's cousin brother, and he's my brother too. And you've already met Nikita and Adik as well. And we had good time. We spent good time with each other. We had tasty food, amazing. If you have been to the restaurant here, which is Anand Ashram in My bad.
Tonka, sorry.
okay, please do let us know in the comments. And also if you haven't been yet, please go ahead, do check the place out. And the next vlog, in one of the vlogs basically, we will talk about Adik and Nikita's company, which is the event company. We'll talk about it in details for the next time along with them.
Yeah.
But briefly, you have an idea now.
Along-
That'll be like proper talk, so you'll have more details about it. It was a good day, very less time, but
Very
it was
tiring.
a good time. Okay, we are literally drained. I just want to like freshen up and
Crash.
crash. Yeah. So let's end the vlog now. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Do share it with your friends and family. And for you guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead, do subscribe to my channel, show some love. And the Urak is hitting me now.
Yeah.
Before I start blabbering all rubbish. I'm gonna vlog every day, guys, but I will try to put maybe a little extra vlogs in a week now. Maybe, let's see, it depends. But having said that, let me end the vlog now. I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog and I'm very happy. We both are happy we are come back to Goa for a short period of time, but we are gonna make it happening. I'm gonna vlog everything as much as I can. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and also comment down, guys. Please do let us know. It would really mean the world to us. And we I was about to say and we will see you in the
Next one.
Until then,
Bye. Devpuri Rati.
Devpuri Ratyu, which means
Good night.
good night. So, Devpuri Ratyu. See you.
See you.